Somebody left me a penny. It must have been left for me. That's cute. I'm not gonna take it though. It's not full, but not supposed to be that high. I'll give it one flush. Yep, definitely blocked. Oh, look at that. Nice and ready for me. Thanks, assistant. Hey, where'd he go? I don't have an assistant. Be quiet. So once I turn this on and the water's jetting, I probably have like 45 seconds at most before it would overflow. All right. It's coming. Come on, come on, come on. Look, I think it's starting to drain. Never mind. Why couldn't the clean out be pitched toward the pit? I already shut it off. So it's gone down just like what, 7 inches? Not enough. Can't continue like that, so I'm gonna fabricate something to make this a little less messy. So if you see me doing all this, you can assume there are no outdoor cleanouts. Alright, so some might wonder why it isn't going down already. Well, the fact that the water's not coming back anymore, and I'm still putting water in this line, tells me I passed the blockage. So if I back up a little, I'll find the sweet spot and it'll go. If I back up too much, it'll start coming up. I don't want that. Feel something there, it's gotta be the spot. Yep, it is.